In this slow English video, I'm going to speak slowly so that you can easily understand me. If you are a beginner, you can learn new vocabulary from this video. But if you are an intermediate or advanced English student, you can use this video to improve your pronunciation and to do shadowing practice. The topic for today's video is going to be family. Everybody has a family. Everybody has a mother and a father. Lots of people have brothers and sisters. Some people have a sister who is older than them. We call this an older sister. But some people have a sister who is younger than them, and we call this a younger sister. Some people have an older brother. Some people have a younger brother. Other people are parents. And if somebody is a parent, they might have a son or a daughter. When children are young, the parents need to take care of them. But when children grow up, they can take care of themselves. When a child becomes 13 years old, they now become a teenager. In some countries, a teenager becomes an adult when they are 18 years old. In other countries, a teenager becomes an adult when they are 21 years old. Some people live close to their family, but some people live far away from their family. For many people, their family lives in another country, so they live very far away from their family. Christmas is a good chance for grandparents to see their grandchildren. Lots of people have busy lives, so Christmas is a chance to stop, relax, and spend time with your family. What about you? How many people are in your family? How many brothers do you have? How many sisters do you have? Are you a parent? Do you have children? Do you have a son or a daughter? Or are you a grandparent? Do you have a grandson or a granddaughter? When do you spend time with your family? Thank you for watching this slow English video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to English Sponge for more slow English videos in the future. Thank you.